In the quest for timeless beauty and vitality, people have long sought natural remedies that transcend conventional skincare. Among the myriad options, the combination of coconut oil and turmeric has emerged as a potent duo, celebrated for its anti-aging prowess. Beyond the allure of commercial products, these two natural ingredients have demonstrated remarkable benefits that contribute to a holistic approach to aging gracefully. 1. Synergistic anti-inflammatory properties. Both coconut oil and turmeric boast powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation at the molecular level. When combined with the anti-inflammatory fatty acids in coconut oil, this duo becomes a formidable force against chronic inflammation, a key driver of aging and various age-related diseases. 2. Potent antioxidant defense. Antioxidants are essential in neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to cellular damage and aging. Turmeric contains curcuminants, which are potent antioxidants. When paired with the antioxidant-rich properties of coconut oil, this combination provides robust protection against oxidative stress, helping to preserve the youthful integrity of skin cells. 3. Collagen support and elasticity. Collagen is the structural protein responsible for skin firmness and elasticity. Both coconut oil and turmeric play a role in supporting collagen production. Lauric acid in coconut oil contributes to collagen synthesis, while turmeric enhances collagen formation and protects against collagen degradation, promoting supple and youthful skin. 4. Hydration and moisture retention. Hydration is fundamental to maintaining healthy skin, and coconut oil is renowned for its moisturizing properties. When blended with turmeric, which has emollient qualities, this combination becomes a natural moisturizer that helps the skin retain moisture, preventing dryness and the development of fine lines. 5. Reduction of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Turmeric is known for its skin brightening properties, and coconut oil complements this by aiding in the reduction of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The combination can contribute to a more even skin tone, diminishing the appearance of age spots and sun damage. 6. Cellular regeneration and repair. Both coconut oil and turmeric support cellular regeneration and repair. Lauric acid in coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, protecting the skin from harmful microorganisms and supporting the healing process. Turmeric enhances the expression of genes involved in cellular repair and regeneration, promoting a rejuvenated complexion. 7. Natural sun protection. While not a substitute for dedicated sun protection, coconut oil has a mild sun-blocking effect due to its composition of fatty acids. Turmeric, with its antioxidant properties, can provide additional support against UV-induced skin damage. Incorporating this duo into your skincare routine may offer a natural layer of defense against the aging effects of sun exposure. 8. Potential anti-wrinkle effects. The combination of coconut oil and turmeric may contribute to reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, coupled with the moisturizing properties of coconut oil, can help combat the signs of aging, promoting smoother and more youthful-looking skin. Incorporating coconut oil with turmeric into your routine. DIY face mask. Create a simple DIY face mask by mixing coconut oil with turmeric. Combine a tablespoon of coconut oil with a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with warm water. This mask can be used once or twice a week to nourish and revitalize the skin. Turmeric-infused skincare products. Look for skincare products that incorporate both coconut oil and turmeric. Cleansers, moisturizers, and serums containing these ingredients can provide daily anti-aging benefits. Dietary inclusion. Consider incorporating turmeric into your diet through turmeric-infused dishes or supplements. The internal benefits of turmeric can complement the external benefits provided by coconut oil, promoting a holistic approach to anti-aging. Patch test and consultation. Before applying any new skincare regimen, conduct a patch test to ensure compatibility with your skin. Additionally, consult with dermatologists or skincare professionals, especially if you have existing skin conditions or allergies. The combination of coconut oil with turmeric emerges as a dynamic duo in the realm of anti-aging skincare. Their synergistic properties, ranging from anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to collagen support and cellular regeneration, showcase the potential of nature's superstars in promoting youthful and radiant skin. As with any skincare routine, consistency, moderation, and personalized considerations are key to reaping the full benefits of this natural anti-aging powerhouse. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Ask your questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy.